2005 Hyundai Sonata 2.4 liter dual overhead cam. We're having issues with it starting every time, and it won't idle at low RPMs. Right now, this is an idle at 1100 RPMs. Everything's in time, everything's running good. The car is running great, just it will not stay running at low idle. Little confused on what's going on. It does not start every time, so if we turned this off and then try to restart it, it would not run right away. We would have to almost like crank it a few times, and I'll show that in a minute. Right now it's just started from a cold cranking, so it is cold, but even when we warm it up and let it run at 1100 and get to proper heating temperature, it still does do the wrong. Still does not start right away. It has the issues of starting. Have changed fuel pump, crankshaft position sensor, camshaft position sensor, coil packs, and have done the timing all again. So I'll go ahead and turn this off and then let it try to restart if it will start. So let's go ahead and see what happens here. Hey, go ahead and turn it off. Dad, go ahead. Alright, so that's letting off the gas pedal all the way. So obviously you've seen there it just stopped and died. So we're gonna try to restart it here and see if we can get it going again. Huh? So you can see here, it will not start. Okay. Now if we bump it a few times, trying to for some reason let it get to a perfect chance to try to start it, it will sometimes start. But it is not, as you can see, it's trying to start here. So we'll try to start it one more time, see if we can get it to run. Almost there. Still trying. Anyways, obviously you guys can see that it will start because we just had it running, but this is the steps that we usually have to take to get it to start. If anybody has any ideas or have ran into this issue before, could you please let me know, post comments, direct message me, anything. That'd be great. Cool, thanks.